Let's keep talking about AutoCAD. First type units in command window and press spacebar and check if the unit is in feet or not. If it's not, switch to feet and change it to fractional if probably, and click OK. The first command we'll learn is line, so type line in command window and press spacebar. The first point I'll say 0, 0, 0, separated by commas. Press spacebar. The next one is 10, 0, 0. And the third one I'll go to 10, 20, 0. And again go to 0, 20, 0. And the last point I'll go to 0, 0, 0. Spacebar. But the command is still alive. If I want to escape from this command mode, press escape key. So it's done. There's a rectangle. The way we drew this rectangle is based on absolute coordinate system. So this AutoCAD is based on Cartesian coordinate system. So here is the origin of the coordinate system. But often we won't use absolute coordinate system. Next we'll talk about relative coordinate system. Again, we'll type a line, but this time instead we'll just type L for short. This is a shortcut for line. And press space key and click some random point. Then enter at 10. Enter the symbol for smaller. This represents for angle. So angle is 0. Then press spacebar. Next, I'll give at 20, angle 90. So basically you'll see this is similar, but it uses relative. This is 10 and this is 20. The angle is 0 and 90. Basically it's a relative coordinate system. But often we'll use another method. So this time we'll try to do this. We'll give L for line, spacebar, and click, and give a direction, and type 10, and spacebar. This will give you a line that the length is 10. But the problem with this is that sometimes we need a specific angle, and it's not just a random angle, and usually it's orthogonal. So this time we'll go line again, and click on a point, and press F8 on your keyboard. Or here is a button that's ortho. Here is the orthogonal mode. So click on this button. Now you'll notice that when you move your mouse, it only moves 4 directions, which is orthogonal. So this time I'll move to right and type 10, and move up 20, move left 10, and move down 20 again. Then press escape. So this is much faster and easier. Next, I want to talk about object snap. It's also called osnap for short. So let's say if I want to draw a line that's started from the end point of this line. I'll give a L and space. Then when I move my mouse toward this end point, click at the end point and draw a line of 30 and press spacebar. Then when I zoom in, you'll find that it's not exactly at the end point of the line. So let's draw at this end point again, but this time we'll give L space. Then click on this object snap button or F3 key on your keyboard. Then when you move toward this line, it snaps the end point of the line. Then click and move to right, enter 20, press spacebar, and press escape to finish the line command. This time when you zoom in, you'll find out that it's very accurate. Let's move your mouse on this object snap button and right click on this button and go to settings. Then you will see there are some are checked and some are not. We'll just leave it as default. Next command we'll learn is rectangle. Shortcut is rec spacebar and click somewhere random, then type in at 10, 20, spacebar, and zoom in. You'll find we just have a rectangle. So the difference between these two is this is composed of 4 line segments, and this is a linked rectangle. The next command is circle. So type circle, or just CI for short, spacebar, click on the end point of a line, then type 5 for radius. And then this is a circle with a radius of 5. This time we'll try something different. So CI space. Then if you look at this option bar, there's one of them is TTR. We'll use this tangent radius. So type TTR space. Then click somewhere near this line. So this indicates that your mouse is on this line. And click on this line and then give a radius. Let's say this time 3. Then this line and this line will be tangent to this circle, and the radius of this circle will be 3.